it's that time of year again when we're looking for gifts for our favorite teachers. Coming up, gift ideas for the teacher in your life. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Lorianne and welcome to It's All Primary. If you are new here, tap that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Normally we do videos on teacher productivity and teacher side hustles on the weekend videos, but we're going left this week and we are going to do a video on teacher gifts. Maybe you are a parent who's looking for ideas for the teacher, your child's teacher. Maybe you are a spouse and you know all about teaching, but you are still looking for something a little bit different. We are going to look at some gifts. Some of them you probably already thought about, but maybe some you haven't. So one of the things that I did recently is I went around my school and I asked teachers what would they like for Christmas. Some answers actually surprised me. Most did not. One common one that teachers did not want is coffee mugs. Now, I enjoy coffee mugs. I don't drink coffee, I drink tea. So I tend to get a lot of coffee mugs, which I use for tea, or I get a lot of teas, which is fine by me. But for the most part, teachers are saying, please don't buy a coffee mug. So, unless you fill it with something very cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a few things that, you might be thinking about whether a teacher would like it. And I can tell you that based on some of the feedback, most of the teachers would like things like this, personalized items. One of the most popular things out there right now is what's called the teacher lanyard. And this one is from Live Simply, FL, Florida. And I love this. And I get a new one every year, and I know many teachers get one every year. So if you want to get a personalized lanyard, you can find these on Etsy. I will have links to many of the items down below. Lanyards, stamps that say Miss Harold approves this or Miss Harold thinks this is great, things like that. Custom signs, maybe you get one of these wooden welcome signs that have your teacher's name on them. The next thing, and I'm going to post a picture probably right here, is tumblers. Teachers really like water bottles, thermoses of some sort, and there are an array of tumblers out there. This particular picture is from Crafting by Myra. She is on both, she has her own website and she's also found on Instagram. One of my friends, Lauren, swears by her stuff and she absolutely loves it. So you could think about getting a holiday tumbler or again, a tumbler with a teacher's name on it. Usually, I do get asked whether they want my first name on it. Miss Harold is absolutely fine. Another cool gift that you can provide your teacher is teacher t-shirts. Now this is one where you need your child to do a little bit of detective work. Does the teacher actually wear t-shirts that have teacher or educational type stuff on them? Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Some schools don't allow them. So again, get your child to do some spy work. I'm sure they would love to be a spy for you. And find out if your teacher likes shirts like this. This particular one is from the Right Stuff Chicks, and I will again link them down below. If you're looking for something very easy that takes minimal space, gift cards. Some teachers absolutely love them. If you have a first-year teacher, gift cards to Amazon, Teachers Pay Teachers, Target are usually a really big hit with them because they're always looking to buy things for their classroom. Teachers a lot of times have to buy school supplies out of their own pocket. Find out if that's the case for your teacher, and you can even gift wrap a basket full of school supplies. Find out what the teacher would really like. Maybe there's a certain type of Crayola crayon or markers or scissors or glue sticks that the teacher really likes to buy, then buy those. Sorry, that was a cat. Some of the teachers like personal items. And I brought here a couple things. I think most of them were purchased on Etsy. This one is, they just drilled holes, somebody, and it holds crayons. Great idea. I don't have to worry about crayons falling out all the time. This sits on my desk. Actually, it sits off on a ledge because I don't need crayons every day. But have this. My sister-in-law has a crafting business and she makes ornaments. Teacup, sugar cookie, donuts. So something like this would be cute. Again, ask your child to do a little bit of spying. Find out what your teacher likes. A couple of the teachers that I also interviewed said that they would be very happy with a bottle of wine. So again, find out whether they like white or red or rosé. Maybe if you know your teacher, the teacher in your life likes baking or reading, you could find something that would fit along their hobbies. For example, I'll just show you a couple different bookmarks that I received. This one is, they're magnetic and they fit. This is from Crafted Van. This can be found on Etsy. I'll put again link below. This one here is called a page anchor, and if you are the type of person who likes to read big heavy books, a page anchor is fabulous. Now this is a little higher price. They're usually in the $50 range. They were having a sale last I looked, but this thing is fabulous to have. And again, for hardcover books, it is great. It holds it open and you don't get the sore wrist. Again, if your teacher likes books, maybe get them a gift card to maybe your local bookshop and support local businesses. A great idea I received a few years back was a tumbler. It was a canister with all the ingredients of baked goods. What a great idea. And then it's a nice canister to keep. And the last one I want to share with you is, again, do a little bit of detective work, but maybe the teacher in your life is involved in some social justice or different organizations out there that are nonprofit, and they could really use a donation. And so you can make a donation on behalf of your teacher. I had that given to me one year. It was a donation to the local owl hospital, and it was very cool. Ask around in the class, the parents in your classroom, and find out if they'd like to pool resources and get something bigger. If you want to see some more ideas, I have a link to my blog, because there's a blog post on some of these things and a couple others. One of the things that I didn't mention but is on my blog is maybe find a memento of 2020 to give to your teacher. This year has been like no other, and maybe they would like a Christmas ornament with 2020. The year we were quarantined, or whatever it is. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you've got any value from this, please tap the like button, and again, subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Next week's video is on batching our teacher planning. Should be interesting. I hope wherever you are staying safe. Protect yourself, wear a mask if you need to, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.